The National Trust for the Cayman Islands is installing 3 receivers, one on each of our islands, that will record the movements of migratory birds. This information will provide us for the first time accurate information about exactly what species are coming, how many are coming, and what habitats they rely upon when they get here.
Joined up thinking, that's what migration makes us do.
And by looking at their body condition, we can see their health, and that also indicates how healthy the habitats from the north are, or where they're overwintering, how healthy or what risk factors are impeding their mortality also in their survival.
And of course, we know that just protecting and restoring nature can get us a third of the way we need to go to address this climate crisis, which is, of course, important for humans as well.